In the realm of content creation, light transcends its role as a mere source of illumination. It metamorphoses into the canvas upon which creators craft their narratives. Presenting the dynamic duo poised to redefine your visual storytelling experience, the JOBY Beamo Studio Deluxe Lighting Kit and the JOBY Beamo Reel Color. These cutting-edge lighting solutions don't just stand as tools. They're transformative agents, turning commonplace content creation into magnificent video productions. Stepping into the forefront of the JOBY Beamo Studio Deluxe Lighting Kit, we encounter the Beamo Studio Key Light, meticulously engineered to enhance talking head videos. Adorned with a plastic shell construction, this light hosts a GoPro-style adjustable buckle equipped with a tripod mount and a rubberized thumbscrew, enabling effortless adjustments to the lighting angle. Accompanied by a non-detachable USB-A power cable, the Beamo Studio Key Light also features an inline remote control. This remote empowers you to command 10 distinct brightness levels and seamlessly toggle between 3 color temperatures. Ingeniously designed with a magnetic backing, the cable remote ensures a neat attachment to the table stand. Crafted from plastic, the remote hosts 4 responsive clicky buttons. The dimensions of the Beamo Studio Key Light encompass a 25.5 cm diameter, standing at 30 cm tall, and possessing a thickness of 2 cm, with a total weight of 579 grams. Accompanying the Beamo Studio Key Light is a table stand complete with a phone mount and a flexible GorillaPod arm. This arm unfurls a world of possibilities for various shooting angles and framing configurations, enabling the capture of content from diverse viewpoints. Additionally, it serves as an ideal platform for integrating accessories such as the JOBY Wavo Pod microphone, enhancing the auditory experience of your recordings. Fashioned for durability, the phone mount's plastic shell incorporates foam padding for a secure phone grip. The cradle area boasts robust rubberized clamping arms, supplemented by a spring-loaded mechanism. A tripod thread adorns the mount's backside, facilitating swift attachment and release. Its versatility shines as it accommodates phones measuring 5.5 cm wide, boasting a maximum payload capacity of 350 grams. The provided flexible GorillaPod arm, imprinted with the JOBY logo, boasts 4 ball rotating joints. Both ends host rubber cold shoe mounts, each equipped with a double-ended tripod male thread. The table stand, featuring an 18 cm diameter base atop a cushion of foam, is constructed from solid metal. It incorporates a thread for attaching the telescopic pole, which facilitates height adjustments. The telescopic pole itself is equipped with a Velcro strap for cable management and a knurled metal twist lock mechanism for securing adjustments. Nestled within the pole is a height-adjustable tripod mount with a thumbscrew, allowing fluid vertical movement. Fully retracted, the pole spans 38 cm, extending to 62 cm when fully stretched. The combined weight of the table stand and pole is 1.05 kg. The Beamo Studio background light propels video production to the next level with an array of 12 colors and 10 adjustable brightness levels. This empowers you to establish a distinct visual identity that distinguishes your work. Facilitating easy setup, the Beamo Studio background light includes a plastic stand designed to accommodate the Beamo background light. Side thumbscrews guarantee a secure attachment. The Beamo background light features an octagonal plastic shell, encompassing 4 responsive clicky buttons, a USB-C charging port, and dimensions measuring 7 cm in diameter, 2 cm in thickness, and 7.5 cm in height, with a weight of 53 grams. Available separately, the JOBY Beamo Reel Color harmonizes perfectly with the Beamo Studio Deluxe Lighting Kit. Displaying a similar size to the Beamo Studio background light, the Beamo Reel Color distinguishes itself with RGB functionality and a built-in rechargeable battery. This self-sufficiency liberates you from relying on external power sources for operation, with a battery life of nearly 3 hours at maximum brightness, well suited for short recording sessions. The most intriguing aspect of the Beamo Reel Color is its rim rotation brightness control, resembling the operation of a camera's zoom focus lens. Activating the light and adjusting brightness levels is effortlessly achieved by smoothly rotating the front rim clockwise or anti-clockwise. An easily accessible clicky plastic button is thoughtfully integrated, enabling seamless toggling between 12 preset RGB colors and 3 distinct color temperatures, 3200K, 5600K, and 6500K. Entirely fashioned from plastic and free of rubber components, the JOBY Beamo Reel Color boasts dimensions of 5 cm in depth and 6.5 cm in diameter, with a weight of 125 grams.